guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making something really special. I think it's going to be delicious. It is called a pumpkin French toast casserole. It looks pretty easy to put together, and you can refrigerate it for a few hours or overnight if you have something special you're waiting for. So you can serve it fresh, and I'm really excited to try it. So let's get baking. So here's the final product. It is a kind of pile of French toast, but it smells just like pumpkin pie and it looks really good. So I'm going to try a bite. Wow. That is delicious. It tastes just like pumpkin pie, but it's like really nice and warm. And I actually do not have any maple syrup on this. I think the recommended toppings are maple syrup or confectionery sugar. I have neither. I think it doesn't really need it, but it would be phenomenal if it did have maple syrup or anything like that. The bread is really light and fluffy, and it's really soft because it's soaked up all that pumpkin kind of egg mixture. So I think this is delicious, and it's just the thing for fall. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Speed.
Awkward.
And action. Max is drinking. He's an alcoholic. Because the bread is cut in cubes, it's kind of a little lump disorder on your dish. That didn't sound right.
That's disgusting. You have a lump disorder. I'm sorry. You have 5 days to live.
You're making me nervous.
You need to come and help me, please.
Hang on.
Hello? Happy.
Mixy, mixy, mix. Where did that come from? Did you steal one? You borrowed it. Bye. What do you think?
Cut.
What'd you change?